Okay, this is the heart, and the exterior of the heart has an outer membrane, and it has fat around it which protects the heart. The coronary arteries provide oxygen and glucose to the heart, and the coronary veins take away deoxygenated blood. The inside is the septum, which differentiates and separates the right from the left, and each contain atrium and ventricles. The right, which is this side, it has a thick muscular, is a thin walled and receives oxygen and deoxygenated blood from the body and from the walls of the heart, and this fills up with blood. And that's through the vena cava as well that comes in, and this pushes it into the pulmonary arteries and then reaches the lungs. And on the left side, on the left atrium, it receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs and by the pulmonary vein, and the left is much muscular, and this is because it generates and moves all the blood to the rest part of the body, whereas the right only receives it to the lungs, and that goes to the aorta and the arteries. And there are 4 valves within the heart, and that the right artery links to this side is the right, which links to the right artery, links to the right ventricle by the tricuspid valve, and that prevents blood from going in the opposite direction. And the left atrium links to the left ventricle, and that is by the bicuspid valve, and that prevents the blood also going from the opposite direction. And the seminal valves in the blood, or in the blood vessels inside, and this takes the blood to the right direction, and the left goes from the pulmonary veins to the aorta, and the right goes from the vena cava to the pulmonary veins, and the aorta is over here, which comes out, and this is the left atria and the right atria.